Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to customize any WordPress theme without writing a single line of code. And yes, this works perfectly in 2025. If you are using WordPress for a blog, business, or portfolio, this guide will help you make your site look exactly how you want. Before we jump into customization, make sure you are using a theme that supports the WordPress customizer or full site editing. Some great options are Astra, Neve, Generate Press, or the default 2024 theme. To change your theme, go to Appearance, then Themes, then search for your theme uh like that like this, then activate it. Once your theme is activated, let's go into the customizer. From your dashboard, go to Appearance, then Customize. This is where you can change your site's appearance with live preview, no coding at all. In the customizer, you can upload a logo and site icon. Set a site title and a tagline. Change colors and fonts. Adjust header and footer layouts. Customize menus and widgets. It's all point and click. Every change shows up live in the preview window. Next, let's customize individual pages using the WordPress blog editor, also called Groundwork. Just click Pages, then All Pages, then edit the page you want. You can add columns, images, buttons, testimonials, and more using blocks. Click the plus icon to add a block. Want to rearrange sections? Just drag and drop like that. You can also style each block by adjusting color, spacing, and text element into the sidebar. You can also upload your image from your desktop like that. If you are using a full site editing theme like 2024 or Blockse, you get even more control. Go back to Home, then Appearance, then click Editor instead of Customize. From here, you can edit your header, footer, page templates, and styles. Even blog layout, even blog layouts using blocks. It's just like editing a page, but now you can fully redesign your theme's structure. For example, want to move your logo to the center of the header or add social icons to the footer, all possible with FSE and no coding. To give your site a consistent look, set global styles in full site editing themes. Click the styles icon in the top left corner of the editor. You can choose uh, colors, background, shadows, layouts, and blocks, paragraph, list, gallery button, and etc. Want even more design freedom without code? Consider using a page builder plugin like Elementor or Spectre. These tools let you drag and drop elements like sliders, animated text, galleries, and pricing tables. Even more flexibility, still no coding. If you want to add background, click background, then add background, open media library or upload from your desktop, then select your image. It's loading, then it's automatically adjust there. You can customize this like that. And that's it. You just learned how to customize any WordPress theme in 2025 without touching a single line of code. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.